Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should go and buy the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this exact watch so you can go and check it out, and also there is going to be the version with the 42 millimeters. I'm going to leave a link for that one as well, guys. The first thing that we need to discuss is the fact that even to this day, this is maybe one of the most sold divers watches, affordable divers watches that you can find to buy online on Amazon and other websites. So that is something really cool. It has been trending there for several years. Once again, you have the option for the 40 or the 42 millimeters that feature the same Seiko movement. And that gets us to the second reason, and that is that you get an NH35 Seiko movement, so the NH35A movement. As you can see, if I give it a quick shake, the automatic movement is going to start, so that is something really cool, guys. When it comes to this particular movement, you get a very good accuracy, you get hand winding, so you also have the option of manual winding, and also this movement has a hacking, which means that if you unscrew the crown and pull it to the last position, you will see that the second hand stops. This means that the movement has a hacking. If you push the crown back in, you can see that we can also wind it. So as I mentioned, we also have the manual winding option, which is awesome. Now the third reason is that you get that 200 meters of water resistance. You have a screw down crown and a screw down back. So that is something that you want to look for when we are talking about divers watches. So as you can see, we have the see-through back with the screw down back and also the screw down crown. These are essential to have a good water resistance. So this way you can easily seal the entire movement up, and you do not have to worry about water getting inside the watch. Now the fourth thing that I want to talk about is the quality that you get for the money. So for this affordable diver, you get a good watch box, you have enough links that you can actually change, you also have the tag right there, but you get a stainless steel bracelet, you get the Invicta logo, you get this very nice click, so everything seems to be very nicely built. You get the movement alone is worth half the watch value. You have the unidirectional bezel. You also have a good, let's say, decent lume for this money. You cannot rely on it if you go diving or something like that, but nonetheless, this is a very nice quality watch that you get for that budget. The last thing that I want to add is the fact that you get an Invicta watch. Now, I know there is a lot of hate for Invicta watches, but Invicta is actually a brand with a lot of history behind it. So they have been around a lot more than other very well-known and established brands such as Rolex. As you can see, they have been since 1837. Yes, they have been taken over. Yes, they make very big, bulky watches, but they also give you the option of buying these very unique and affordable watches that you can enjoy for several years. I have seen people with these watches for over 20 years and they are still in perfect working condition, and trust me, I have been wearing this a lot and you cannot even tell. Once again, you have the Invicta logo on the dial, on the second hand, on the side, on the crown, on the back, on the rotor, right here as well on the buckle. So although it looks like a very popular watch out there, the Rolex Submariner, you have the Invicta logo everywhere and they are really proud of it. So if you want to go and buy yourself a decent diver's watch, you cannot go wrong with the Invicta Pro Diver, guys. Make sure to check it out. Once again, you are going to love it. Also guys, if you are new to the channel and enjoy this type of content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch presentations, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps us grow. Once again, I have a link in the description box below. And also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Once again guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.